My name is Gavin. I'm 6.5. My name is Dax. I'm 7 years old. 7 3/4. Today we're making clafouti. It looks like a pizza but bigger, and instead of pepperoni, raspberries. And instead of being salty, sugary. We did blackberries and raspberries. We picked purple berries, blackberries, red berries, yellow berries. I didn't know that there were that many types of raspberries. I've only saw red. If you want to make clafouti, you'll need flour, milk, sugar, eggs, salt, berries. You crack eggs and put them into a bowl. You whisk it hard so that the sugar dissolves into the eggs. 2 pinches of salt. We add milk. And then put flour in it. Still whisk it until there are no more lumps. You might need a grown-up for that because the lumps are hard to get out. After you're done whisking, you dump it into a pie plate. Put berries or fruit in it. If you don't have raspberries, you can put strawberries or any fruit in your clafouti.
How many berries do you think are in there?
$48. I'm guessing 105. No! The first time I had clafouti, it looked like pizza, and it did not taste like pizza. The inside of clafouti is yellow. The top is yellow too. I would say it tasted like the best dessert in the world. It tastes super good. You should make clafouti because it's my favorite dessert. Clafouti, 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 clafouti. Clafouti, 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 clafouti.